to show you how your LEGO Mindstorm robot can make art at home. I've got a blank sheet of paper here. I'm going to load it onto the robot, and the robot will create a Spirograph drawing for me. Watch the rest of the video and see what the process looks like. Alright, so I'm going to load the paper and tighten in the paper. Alright, so after twisting the blue connectors, I fasten the paper onto this portion of the robot. And to simply start the program, I'm going to load it onto the Mindstorm. And so now my program is ready to run, and I'm going to put the pen right over top the paper. Alright, so I have the pen loaded onto the drawing pad, and we're ready to start the program. To start the program, I simply push this touch sensor, and to end the program, or emergency stop, I press this touch sensor. And now you can see that the pen is drawing a picture on the art pad. We will wait a couple minutes and see what our results are. Okay, so I'm satisfied with the work that I have, the artwork, and I like to stop the program, so I'm just going to push the stop button, and it stops the program. Alright, so I'm going to unload the artwork and see what we have. Not the prettiest artwork, but it does do what I intended it to do. When the robot is turned on, using this sensor, we have the start button, and when it's turned off, we have the stop button over here. To explain the code that is making this robot work, it shows that when touch sensor in port number 3 is pressed, both motors A and B start at only 25% power. The program waits until sensor button number 1 is pressed. When this happens, both A and B motors stop.